Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing the jaws on my Park Tools PCS-2 cycle stand. So this video is not really meant to have wide appeal, but there might be people searching for this stand and hoping to repair theirs, and hopefully this helps them a little bit. So this stand is from the 90s. I got it probably mid-90s, and these jaw covers on here have been loose since I got it. I think they might have even been loose when I got it. So let's get a little closer here. So this is a benchtop style stand, but they had other models that would fit on a floor. So this opens like such, and this has a cable guide on one side. And I was a little confused at which covers to get on this. So let's go to Park's website and see an article they wrote, and I'll put a link below in the description of this article. But I'll show you where I found the confusion and which jaws I ended up with. Okay, so I'm on this article on the Park Tool website. It says Guide to Replacement Clamp Jaw Covers, and I'm going to search down to 467G, and that's the clamp cover set I'm going to be using. So there's a little bit of confusion here. It says these were the clamps of the early generation PCS-1. Now if we look up PCS-2 on this page, we see that under the 468G. But here there are cable guides on top and bottom, and on my older clamps there's only a cable guide on one of the jaws. So if we go back down to the 467G, if we click on that, it will bring up this page. And on here it says fits PCS-1 and PCS-2. So that article did not mention PCS-2 on this, so that led to a little bit of confusion. So let's get back to the bike stand. Okay, so I ended up with the 467G replacement clamp cover set, and I'll put a link below to this. It may or may not be an affiliate link, so you can order some of these. One reason I'm replacing these is that this is an old stand, and I don't know how long they're going to be making these covers, and I thought I'll just get it done now before they go extinct. So the way these were installed on here originally is that they ran the plastic through here and they melted it on. So to get these off, this one's already loose on this side, but I'll just cut these. I have some flush cut pliers. I don't know if these will be the best pliers, but I'll try. Okay, let's see if this will pop out of here now. I think I tried to glue this on here at one time. So this one was even worse. It's coming loose there. I might be able to just pull this right out. Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so it looks like they have this residue in here. I'll try and clean this out of here real quick. Okay, I think I used some sort of contact cement on there. I didn't get it perfectly clean, but I think it's fine. So let's get these new covers out. So this has a notch on it here. That's going to go towards the inside. So we'll just line this up and we'll press these pins through, like so. And there's a notch on the bottom one also. Same thing. It comes with these star clips, so these will press on here. So instead of melting it, you put these on. Let's see how well those go on. Okay, so that's not super easy to put on there. I think I have a little tip. Here I have a 5/16 inch socket. I have a handle for it too, but you could just use it on a ratchet, and I'll use this to press these on. Now there's a very, very slight crown to these, so they're angled like this when I press it on here. So it's easy to go on and hard to take off. Okay, it seemed to help a little bit to clamp something in the jaws there. Now the way this is designed, there's a setting back here where you can adjust it so it will either close tight or not on here. And I have it on the looser setting, back to where it was. So now these are ready to go. I can put a bicycle in here and tighten this down. Now, if these aren't tight enough, you can see it's kind of pressing up against the edge here. I could always even take a screwdriver or something and press this side down to get it really tight. But now they are black instead of gray, so people will know this is not original anymore. But at least I don't have to worry about these falling off anymore. And it kind of renews this tool and gets some more use out of it, even though it's really old. So that's replacing the clamp covers in this old Park PCS-2 bicycle stand. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.